Hello everybody, welcome to Mad Scientist. Today we're going to grow crystals. What we're going to need are some jars, some pipe cleaners, some food coloring, borax, string, a pencil or popsicle stick, we're going to be putting these over the tops of our jars, and a pair of scissors. This is an experiment that your parents need to work with you. What I've done is I've put water into my jars. I'm now going to put my water into my pan. I put it in there to make sure that my pan was large enough to hold all the water that I was going to need. And then I'm going to start that up and bring it to a boil. So make sure your parents are helping you. While we're waiting for that to come to a boil, we are going to make our shapes. I'm doing pink food coloring with a white pipe cleaner and blue food coloring with a blue. Now I'm going to decide what type of design that I want. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to wrap my white pipe cleaner around it like this. Now I'm going to take it off, and you notice I've got this springy looking thing, and I want it to be a little bit longer, so I'm now going to pull it like this. I don't want it too long. Whoops, it's too long for my jar, so I'm going to cut it in half. I'm then going to take a piece of string and I'm going to tie it around the top of my spiral. So that it hangs like this. I'm going to cut the little bit of extra off. We want this suspended part of the way down into the jar, like this, so that it's completely submerged in the water. Which means now I'm going to tie it, I'm going to tie it to my popsicle stick, I think. Tie it to our popsicle stick so that it will stay at that height inside of our jar. I'm now going to make my other design that I want. It can be any design that you wish. Cut off my extra string and put it in my jar. That one is now ready. I'm going to do the same thing with my blue one, except that I think I'm going to make it into a snowflake shape, or a star shape, I guess I should say. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, put it in this jar, and then I'll be back when the water has boiled and it's time to continue our experiment. All right, my water has come to a boil. For each cup of water that we use, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of borax. All right. One cup. And a half. All right, now we're going to put in, remember we're using 3, this is a 1.5 tablespoon, so that is 1.5. Three, but we used a cup and a half, so we actually need 3 of these. And then we need to stir this until it is dissolved. All right, now I'm going to add my food coloring. 1, 2, 3 drops. And then I'm going to cover it and shake it. I want it a little bit darker than that. So let's go with 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll work good. Especially because I'm using my star shape. And all you do is you put your star shape in like that. And now we're going to wait for a day and see how many crystals have formed on our star. We're going to do the same thing. I said I'm going to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I have put the red dye. Actually, it's more of a pinkish orange color. And now we're going to suspend our curly one in here like this. And like I said, let's come back in a day or so and we'll see what we've got. See you later. All right, it's time to check our crystals to see if we grew any. Let's see. Oh yeah, that one did good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to zoom in the camera so you can really see these two. I'm going to pull up our curly Q first. Look at that. Just got crystals all the way around it. Wow. I'm going to come bring it around so you can really see it. I hope the camera will focus this close. That was a white pipe cleaner. Look at this. Amazing. Well, let's see if I can get the blue one out. It acted like it didn't want to actually come out all the way, so I'm hoping I can reach in there and get it. There it goes. Thank goodness. Wow. Look at my star. You can see all of the crystals. See them flashing? Neat. All right. Let me zoom back out so you can actually see me. Not that you really want to, but anyway. I hope you will try this experiment at home. And remember to get your mom and dad to help you when you're doing it. All right, that's the Mad Scientist for this month. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving.